going to discuss about the netizenship and netiquette in online communities. So first, let us discuss about what is netizenship, and netiquette before we proceed the guidelines of the online communities. So the first one is netizen. What is netizen? I, you, we. We are the netizen. Why? Because netizen is an active participation of the online communities such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and etc. So who are the active? We. We are the active people who are using an internet, right? So netizen is a combination word of network or internet and citizen. So netizen is a blended word of a person who are habitual or avid one or user of the internet or citizen of the net, or a person who spend an excessive amount of time in the internet. So that is a netizen. So we are the netizen. So the second one is netizenship. So what is netizenship? Netizenship is a combination of the word network or internet plus citizen plus relationship. So it is a relationship of the citizen in the internet. So it is a citizenship of the internet or a virtual world. So the third one is netiquette. So what is netiquette? So netiquette is socially accepted behavior that needs to observe in communicating on the web. So it is a combination of the word network or internet plus etiquette. So it is a code of good behavior on the internet. So now, let us discuss the netiquette guidelines of the online communities. So why is it netiquette is important in online communities? Because it will prevent miscommunication and help you to understand what is socially acceptable when working and collaborating online. So the first guideline is protect your reputation. So whether in a real world and in a virtual world, you are the same person. So do only what is appropriate and share your information does not harm for you as a person. It is important to protect your reputation because your online reputation is the information that people find about you in online. So hiding behind privacy settings actually puts you at risk if something negative were come out about you. That is why protect your reputation is very important. So the second guidelines is respect others. So respect begets respect. Treat everyone with respect even if you don't know him or her in a person. Just give respect to the others so that others will give you a respect too. Just like a reflection, you will receive what you give to the others. And also be judicious about what you say on your own and other page. So the third guideline is express yourself clearly and use emoticons. So be aware of using an emoticons by expressing your mood or feelings because sometimes we use an emoticon in a wrong way. For example, your friend's post is all about suicidal thoughts, then you will react her post a happy emoticon. So your friend might think that you are happy about what she posts or you are happy if she will commit a suicide. So that's why use emoticons properly. The fourth guidelines is remember the intellectual property. So if we copy a statement or post something in a social media, we should tag the author or we acknowledge the creator or the author, or else we will cite a resources or give a credit of the owner so that we will avoid the plagiarism or the copyright. So the fifth guidelines is check the spelling, grammar, and punctuation. So by posting something in social media, we should check our spelling, grammar, and punctuation so that the readers will easy to read and understand what does it mean about your post. So If we will use a wrong punctuation, it can change the meaning of the whole sentence, especially in the grammar. So we should check our grammar because good writing means good manners. So we don't waste people time to read our post incomprehensible. The sixth guidelines is pause before you post. So whatever you post in social media, it becomes permanent even if you will edit or delete it, because every second people is very active in using social media, especially in Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So always review your post content and think twice or thrice before you click send or post. The seventh guidelines is do not share your personal information. So you need to be careful with how much personal information you reveal on online, because sharing your personal information can mean you at a greater risk of identity theft, stalking, and harassment. So this includes information that you post in a social media. So that is why protect your privacy in a social media and minimize your post in the public. The last guidelines is think about who and what you are representing, because as a student, you are representing your school. As a daughter or son, you are representing your family. As a friend, you are representing your friends too. So just think what you are doing, because your actions will reflect to your family, friends, and school. So for example, you are studying in University of San Jose Recoletos, then your post in social media is all about something rude. So it is not good for the viewers because it will ruin the reputation of your school. So that is why think about who or what you are representing. So I am going to end my discussion by this saying of David Gillis: you are what you post. Proper netiquette makes you a good user. That would be all, and thank you for listening. I hope you've learned something from my discussion. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!